Hi, my name is Sylvia Browne and I'm the Director of Teaching and Learning at AISK, and today we're going to be talking about Bloom's Taxonomy. A lot of parents have been asking about what Bloom's Taxonomy is. And basically, Bloom's Taxonomy is a classification system for learning. We begin with kind of remembering, then we understand, and then we apply the knowledge. And these three kind of develop the basic foundations, or really strong foundations, to get us to the higher order thinking skills. The higher order thinking skills are analyzing, evaluating, and creating. Asking open-ended questions and having a tolerance for the ambiguous is really important to higher order thinking skills. When students are given a challenging problem, we don't want them to look at it and think and give up right away and ask for help. What you really want is for students to feel comfortable in that challenge and to figure out ways on their own and strategies on their own to be able to solve them. A lot of people have trouble kind of visualizing what higher order thinking skills would look like in a kindergarten classroom, let's say. So if you're reading a story on Anansi, you might ask, did Anansi do the right thing? What would you have done in this circumstance? And this kind of forces students, or puts students in the position to be able to think through the ideas of Anansi. So not just understand and memorize the story, but also to be able to internalize the story and perhaps change their behavior in the future. Another example could be in mathematics, like when you're learning numeracy. Let's say you're learning the number 7, for example, and you think, what reminds you of this number 7? And ask students perhaps to draw something that reminds them of this number. That way they can see the application of the number in real life. So creative thinking actually requires students to have a lot of trust in themselves and their own ability to learn. It requires from them the ability to take risks with their learning and to be really comfortable within challenging tasks that's challenging at that moment, but that they will be able to solve them. So creative thinking is actually a skill that can be practiced, taught, and learned.